Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a method, long multiplication versus partial products. Pick whichever you understand best. Estimate the result by rounding each factor to one significant digit so you know the ballpark. Next, align the digits with units under units and write the larger number on top. This avoids misplacement errors. Once done, break the larger number into manageable parts if using partial products, or prepare rows for each digit of the bottom multiplicand if using long multiplication. Now multiply systematically. Take one digit of the bottom number and multiply it across the top number, producing a row or partial product. Make sure to shift each subsequent row one place to the left by inserting a zero placeholder so place values stay correct. As you multiply, carry any tens or hundreds to the next digit and mark carries clearly. This prevents losing values mid-process. Once you complete all digit rows, double-check each row by quick mental estimation to catch obvious mistakes. Finish by adding the shifted rows or partial products column by column to produce the final product. Use neat columns and add from right to left. After summing, compare the final number to your initial estimate to ensure the magnitude makes sense. This is a quick sanity check. If the result seems off, re-examine carries and digit alignment first, because most errors come from misplaced zeros or forgotten carries. Correcting those usually resolves the discrepancy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.